Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a first ever Sephora Playbox on my channel. I've been doing Sephora Playbox pretty much ever since they started. I'm not sure exactly when. It's probably been a year. I did take a little bit of a break when I was moving and everything like that. So I've been getting the beauty boxes now for a couple months now, and please excuse if you guys hear any rumbling in the background. There is a storm about to happen right now, and hopefully lights don't go out or anything like that. But you might hear some rumbling in the background. But anyways, if you want to see what I got for this month for September, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so every Sephora Playbox that you get this little guy right here. It's actually really cool because you get 50 beauty points for anything that you end up going to the store and buying the actual full-size product. So I actually just ordered a Gucci perfume that I actually bought. Sorry guys, I thought I heard my cat like trying to come in. But I bought a Gucci perfume because I had a sample from the box and I ended up loving it. So anytime that you, and this I believe only lasts for the actual month, so you have to, when you get your beauty box and say for that month, say I end up liking the mascara, I go to Sephora, I bring this with me, I get extra 50 beauty points on top of my purchase. So, and what's really cool is that if you open it up, you get to see everything you got obviously in your box, and it gives you a description of what it is, how to use it, which is really cool because people who are new into makeup, or even myself, sometimes I'm like, how do I use that? Like, sometimes I get masks and like, oh, leave it overnight, and I didn't know, but I just washed it off, so I just wasted it. So we have a mask, we have moisturizer, we have a primer, we have a foundation, we have mascara, and we have a perfume. So pretty much this is gonna be like if you like, I think what they did this month is just like for your face. So they gave you a foundation, mascara, pretty much like the basics of the basics. But let's get in. So my bag was already open, so everything is in here because I double checked. I don't think it was able to close because it was so packed in here. But this is what it looked like for this month. It's super cute. This would be something really fun to travel with if you travel. And so first up I have is the BOSCIA Cactus Water. So it's this guy right here. It just smells fresh. It smells like a regular facial cream, and it's a hydrating cream, which I definitely need right now. So this guy will definitely going onto my vanity. I am using a hydrating, well, like I guess a moisturizer. I am using one now, so I think I'm going to finish that one up. It's another little small one of these ones, and I'm going to use it. It's the Belief Aqua Bomb one. I actually really enjoy that one, and I'm going to use that up and then start using this one and see how I like it and I kind of compare to. So next we have up is a mascara. This is just a Sephora mascara. These guys, I think they're normally like Sephora brand stuff. There's some hidden gems in there, like my brow gel. Y'all need to get it. But I just tried out the Ojai Beauty mascara and actually love it. So we'll see how this goes. This one's supposed to be for big volume, so it's supposed to, you know, like give you a lot of volume for your lashes, thicker and bolder. So we'll definitely try that out. Sometimes those type of mascaras kind of scare me because they kind of clump my lashes together, especially since I don't have a lot of lashes right now. I mean, I have lashes, but not as much as I used to before because I got lash extensions. And before anyone comes at me, the girl who did my lashes, I don't know if she was mad that day or whatever, but she like clumped like 3 lashes together, and it was a nightmare. It was legitimately a nightmare. So for anyone who's interested in getting lash extensions, like make sure you do your research. Make sure whoever is your lash stylist, they know what they're doing, because you can like seriously like ruin your lashes. Like I'm pretty sure I'm still like balding in some spots, and some of those, you know, lashes, I mean, they're coming in, but they're coming in, you know, like really short. So I'm still definitely growing out my lashes, and those type of mascaras, they kind of give you like more of a thicker look. They can be good in a sense, but sometimes depending what type of formula it is, it might just clump them together. So definitely be careful with those ones. But on to the next one. So we have the Makeup Forever foundation. So it's this guy right here. And I actually never have tried Makeup Forever foundation. I've tried I've tried a lot of foundations from Sephora, but Makeup Forever has not been one of them. And I'm not sure why I haven't tried it. I'm not sure. And oops. So this is the CHLOÉ NOMADE. I'm sorry if I'm saying it incorrectly. Oh my god. This smells amazing. Oh my gosh. So like I said earlier, I got a Gucci, it was a Gucci Bloom, a little sample just like this, and fell in love with it. And I just recently just ordered it online because I didn't buy anything when Sephora had their, I think it was like the Beauty Insider coupon thing they had a few weeks ago, and it was like 20% off for Rouge members. I didn't use it, and they sent it to me again, like, hey, like, don't miss out. And I was like, I'm not gonna miss out on this time. So I picked up that perfume because I have my Marc Jacobs one, like the dot one, and I've been using that for a while, and I need something new. I need something different. So I'm probably gonna go with the CHLOÉ one. I usually go with like the little, like the rollerball things, just because if I get the huge one, it just sits there and I'm like, it takes forever to go through them, and I'm like, I'd rather just get a smaller one, and then it's like, at least I use it up, I'll just go buy a new one. But I know it's like you save more money if you buy the bigger one, but for me, I like to have variety in my perfumes, and I really don't have a lot. I just have literally, I'm pretty sure literally that's the only one I have, and I'm pretty sure I have like those little like tester ones, these ones, like the little mini ones, and I just rather have like at least something. With the roller balls, I can just throw it in my purse, and if I forgot to put perfume on, which 9 times out of 10 I do, and I'm like, wait, I have my roller ball in my purse, so that's why I like roller balls. Anyway, so, and then I actually just bought this from Ulta. It's the Too Faced Hangover, and like I said, I just bought this guy. Like, I have it sitting right here in my vanity. I just bought this one right here, and I bought it when Ulta had it on sale, so I got it for a really good price. And last up, I have this Pierre Thomas Roth mask. I'm not sure if they meant to send me two, but they did send me two. So I'm not really sure what's up with that. So if you get one, if you do get the September box and you just get one, it might have just been a mistake and they just sent me two. But that's pretty cool. I love face mask. I actually did one earlier today and my skin feels amazing. My skin has been really dry lately and I'm not sure why, and I think it's just the weather, and like I said, I'm not sure why it's happening. But anyway, so everything, all this together was $10. So Sephora Playbox is a $10 subscription. Like I said, it's similar to Ipsy. You get it every month. Pretty much everyone kind of gets similar-ish things. They kind of like, you do like a little like, kind of like Ipsy, like you do like a little like quiz thing to see what you like and all of that. So I've seen, because you can kind of see with the whole entire box of this month, and I think they even had that Marc Jacobs foundation. I was like, ooh, did I get that? But I didn't. That's okay. I've never tried Marc Jacobs foundation either, so that's something, another foundation I definitely want to try out soon. So everything, all this is $10. I will link everything down below, if you guys want to try out Sephora Playbox. It's only $10 and it's like $10 flat, I believe. There's like no shipping or anything like that. And I'm kind of curious of what October's Sephora Playbox will be, because like I said, we are going into those winter months, whenever winter comes, and you know, our face is going to be a lot drier and all of that, so I'm kind of curious what we're going to get next month. But that's it for this, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more of my Sephora Playbox, and even if you don't, you're still going to see it. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.